He left the lights on earlier throughout the day. He noticed it, came back to the truck thinking that the battery would be dead, but it started right up. But right after that, the air conditioner didn't start working. He's recently had it at the mechanics, and they put a new system in, air conditioner, and it worked for a little bit, and then it just stopped working today out of the blue.
Okay. So rephrase the problem into a question so I know how to help you.
Why did my air conditioner stop working without any previous problem?
Good question. So first thing we would do is we would check the fuses. Have we confirmed the fuses are good?
We haven't confirmed that because he doesn't have a manual for it, so we don't know. He checked the fuse box that's inside the motor with a fuse detector thing, a little light. Now, the box, we haven't checked it yet, so I don't know which fuse it would be.
My diagram shows fuse number 23 and fuse number 13.
And battery junction box, which would be in the motor.
Under the hood, you got it. That's correct.
But I know which is fuse 23 and...
They should be labeled. So once you open up the box, if you look inside the cover, everything should be numbered. And you're looking for, again, fuse number 13 and number 23.
23.
Yep.
Let me see how this box goes in here. 23. 23. Ve por tus lentes. Are they in numerical order?
I don't know about that. I can take a look here for you. Let me ask you this. Do you have knobs for on the HVAC assembly? In other words, do you rotate these knobs for loft, panel, floor, stuff like that? Is that correct?
Let me check. I have a knob that says low and high. I have one that says cool and warm, and another one that it only has 3 knobs.
No worries. So there are 2 other fuses inside the vehicle. Well, both of them power up your selector switch, but the 2 under the hood are for the AC compressor. So what I would recommend that you do is, we don't have to do this while we're on the phone, but what I would recommend that you do, once we're off the phone, I would check all the fuses under the hood and all the fuses inside the vehicle. And if that checks out good, and the AC compressor still isn't coming on, maybe the compressor went bad, somebody would have to check to make sure that AC relay is activating when you turn the AC compressor on, and then check for power down at the AC compressor. Do you know if the clutch is engaging when you turn it on?
I don't hear anything when I turn it on.
All right. So we don't know if the clutch is coming on, so don't worry about it. All right. So another possibility, other than the AC compressor or maybe a relay problem, if the fuses are good, all of the Freon could have leaked out, which would prevent the AC compressor from kicking in.
Would that have just happened out of the blue?
It can happen. You can just leak. Yeah. You have 2 AC pressure switches. You have an AC cutoff switch on the right side of the engine compartment, and you have an AC cycling switch right rear of engine compartment. So
how do I get to those?
They would be under the hood.
Oh.
So they're going to be on the AC lines, so you'd have to follow the AC lines throughout the engine compartment. And then you look for 2-wire, they're little 2-wire sensors or switches that are basically the Freon, or I'm sorry, lines for the air conditioning. So those could be bad as well.
So check the fuses, and you said it was 23 and which one?
23 and 13 under the hood.
23 and 13. And how about in the inside the cab?
Fuse number 5, and then, let's see here, this is a 2001. I'm showing fuse number 24.
Okay, so it doesn't work. 23, 13, 5, 1, and 24.
That's correct.
All right, I will check those, and then I'll call back if I don't find anything.
That sounds...
They're all good. Well, you're so I would actually have to take it to mechanics first, right?
To check the AC system, yeah, that's correct.
Hang on, I'm sorry. Once again, 7 and 23, 5.
No. Fuse number 13 and 23 under the hood.
13.
And then fuse 5 and 24 inside the vehicle.
Okay, I will try those and go from there.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.